Hey babes, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are staying sane, busy, relaxed during this crazy time. So I wanted to get on here and talk about skincare, talk about serums, and talk about this brand that you might have heard about called Good Molecules. So Good Molecules was founded in 2018, so they're fairly new, and they are an in-house brand with Beautylish. Beautylish is an online retailer, kind of like Sephora and Ulta. They carry a lot of amazing different brands, skincare, makeup, hair care, so they have everything. So the products I'm going to speak about today is 3 of their serums. They were gifted to us, but this video, I am not getting paid for it, unfortunately. So this is just my raw, honest thoughts on the products that they sent over to us. I do want to say a little background story about me and serums. Me and serums did not get along. I was not a fan of them, and this is like crazy that I'm even talking about them and about to review serums because I just didn't think I needed them. I didn't really like the consistency of the serum. I did try a serum. I do not remember the brand, but I do remember it being sticky on my skin. I do not like a sticky feeling because I am sleeping on my pillow, my sheets. I do not want them to get dirty, so I did not enjoy that whatsoever. The reason why I decided to give these serums a try, honestly, it's because I really love their packaging. And I love their brand, and for me it felt like it was fun, trendy, just so cute. Like, that's all I can say, like, just so cute and kind of like, ooh, let me try this, let me see what they're about. And that's kind of why I tried them, and I fell in love with their serums because they worked. So I cannot wait to share my experience and kind of break down why these 3 serums are special and how they work and what's in them that makes them this great. I'm going to talk about the first hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid gives your skin moisture when your skin is dry, so it's something that is almost in every moisturizer and is really beneficial to put on your skin when you feel like your skin is dry. I started hyaluronic acid when my skin was really dry. I am a user of retinol thanks to my sister. If you guys don't know what retinol is, it is prescribed from your dermatologist and it is very strong. So, after using retinol, my skin used to get really dry, like very badly, especially when you're a user in the beginning. Your skin is so dry and it hurts so bad. I think I overused it. I definitely overused it. And so I looked at this and I was like, let me give this a try. Remember, at that point I did use this hyaluronic acid serum on my skin, and I do remember it did burn a little bit, but that was normal for me. At least after you use retinol, your skin is very sensitive, so anything I would put on my skin, if it's a cleanser, moisturizer, serum, it would burn a little bit, which is normal for me. Usually hyaluronic acid shouldn't burn, it actually smooths the skin. Stop using retinol as much as I did before. When I put on the serum, I didn't feel any burning. It was just so lightweight. Like, I do not use serums. I only tried it once, and the sticky feeling just took me out of it, like turned me off. And when I put this on, it's such a lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It smooths in perfectly. It's very lightweight. When you apply it, it goes smoothly, it dries quickly, and you really just feel moisture, and your skin is also glossy because obviously you just put serum on. So it's overall such a beautiful feeling. I also forgot to mention that the product is $6. So this whole baby is $6 for a serum. Their stuff is extremely affordable. It's also vegan, cruelty free, so overall I just really enjoyed that particular serum. The overnight exfoliating treatment, and it has 10% AHA and BHA in here. The difference with the serum is that it is stronger, and I use this at night, and when I wake up in the morning my skin does feel smoother. It feels more brighter. It definitely does do what it says. Again, like I said, I use retinol, so if you are on retinol, I do not recommend combining the two. I think that's too much. You're going to be over drying your skin. You either pick which one you're going to use. So for example, if I feel like I use too much retinol and my skin is just dry and red from it, I would go in that night and use this treatment. And basically for me, it feels like they almost kind of do the same thing, where I wake up in the morning, I wash my skin, and it just feels brighter and cleaner. And with this exfoliating overnight treatment, your pores are getting cleaned and it's really getting deep into your skin. So personally, I love that. Like, I'm sleeping and I know that my skin is just working to be perfect when I wake up. So that makes me really happy, and I love to kind of switch out retinol and this like interchangeably so I don't over dry my skin. But if you're not on retinol and you just want to use the serum, I would recommend using it twice a week, maybe in the beginning and then maybe at the end of the week, so your skin doesn't get dried out. Percent AHA and BHA, and what that is an exfoliating agent. And yes, that sounds amazing. So if you never used those ingredients, I do recommend just trying it out for the first night to see how your skin will react. AHA, it works on the surface of the skin, so it removes your dead skin cells, and it really helps with texture skin and makes your skin feel smoother. Like I said, when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels brighter, feels smoother. I see acne around my chin area. I enjoy using this because I feel like when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels resurfaced and fresh and renewed, so that makes me very happy. And the BHA is the salicylic acid. It's just another word for salicylic acid. And what that does is it treats acne, and it also treats sun damage. So those two, with the AHA and the BHA combined, you really feel like your skin is resurfaced. And again, this product is $6, so it's very affordable for the great ingredients and also for the fact that it works. Like, it really works. Next is the Niacinamide serum. This is one of my favorite serums that they send us. So the reason why it's one of my favorite serums is because I do have large pores like on here, and so I was really excited to try this out because I would visibly see if it's working, and I could then prove that serums are great. So I was extremely excited, and I use this every single day, and I would only put it where I felt like I had really big pores. You could put on the skin, but you don't have to. What the ingredient does is it fixes your texture of your skin, and it also minimizes your pores. So I use this every single day for maybe 2 weeks, and I still use it. And I personally did see my pores becoming smaller. Now I'm not poreless now, but I did see a difference, and I show you a photo, and in this photo I am wearing makeup, but I was in LA with my twin, and I put on my foundation and I put on my powder, and I looked like we were right under the sun, and I kind of took a selfie, and I was like, wow, my skin looks great. I was like, can I stay like this forever? Like, it was so cute with the peach fuzz, and I was just loving it. Obviously you still see pores there, but my pores are normally big, so those pores make me very happy. I was just completely impressed with how well it worked and that it actually worked. That ingredient really does minimize your pores. It's used for that, so this is like, use this every single day. If I don't forget before I go to bed, I just put it around here, kind of dab it in, and that's it, I'm done. And so definitely really impressed with this one as well, and this is also $6, so it's kind of like, you know, a no-brainer at that point. Overall, I actually do enjoy Good Molecules. I really love their brand. I really love their packaging. Their social presence, when you kind of like post something about them, they would like DM you back, or they would send a heart or like it, and you just see that the brand cares, and so that makes you feel really good as well. And overall, their products work. And I will also show you a picture how well the overnight treatment worked. I was putting it on my problem areas, like I said, around my chin area. At that time, I was getting facials every 2 to 3 weeks, so that obviously also helped. But the serum also added that extra touch to kill the bacteria and to really help those. They were like not even pimples, they were just, I guess, clogged, well, yes, they were clogged pores, and they were so annoying. So I'm so happy I got rid of them, and I still continue to use this whenever I feel like my texture is off. Overall, my experience with Good Molecule and serums have completely changed, and now I find myself telling my friends and my family and my sister, serum, I have to try that. So it's such a full circle for me, and I really hope this video helped you guys what serum you should buy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!